Welcome again to Juicy Corner. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about this amazing full body workout machine called the 7K pack, right? Some people call it the 6K pack, but this is the 7K pack we are talking about. And of course, it's going to help you to do your full body workout, different types of sports that you're going to do with it. Now, if you watch this video till the end, you're going to see step 1, how to mount it at the comfort of your home. Step 2, how to do sports, the different types of sports you're going to do for the hands, the legs, the stomach, and full body cardio, and also the spin bike that comes with it also. Guys, don't forget to like this video and show us love also by subscribing to our YouTube channel, as we have a lot of stuff in store for you this particular year. Enough of the talking, let's get to work. The first thing is to actually unbox your machine. It comes with a lot of complicated compartments or little parts, but don't bother. If you watch this video to the end, you're going to learn everything. In fact, we are mounting this thing in just 5 minutes. Now, after you have removed everything it comes with, you're going to see this one that I'm holding in my hand now is called the body. This is where the full body workout is, and the other one is called the legs. All right, so you start with the legs first of all by assembling the main leg. That one is very easy. You just need to change the knob, remove it from where it was before, and put it on top. That is just it. Then you see, that is just it. The knob has just been adjusted. Now the next thing is to adjust the bicycle leg to this particular leg. Now with the bicycle leg, there are some things that need so that the bicycle will have firm grip on the ground, which are its own legs. So it comes inside that particular plastic. You remove it from there and you attach it to the ends like this of that bicycle leg. Make sure that the flat places face where the bicycle is going to be on the ground. All right, as easy as ABC. Now this one helps to give the bicycle more grounds, like for it to gain more grounds on the ground, so that you don't fall when you're using it. Then the next thing is to put it inside the first leg you've created. You just need to put, and there's a knob on that particular leg that you first of all did. You just need to pull the knob up, then push the bicycle leg inside, release the knob to enter one of those holes, and it fits perfectly. The same thing goes for when you want to attach the body to the bicycle leg that you've created and the other legs. The same thing, you pull the knob, push it inside, and release it for it to fit based on the person's height. All right, this is based on height. Now the next most important thing is to attach these particular springs. Now these springs are used for many things, mostly for abdominal exercises. All right, it's not all the time that you need these springs. Sometimes you don't need them at all, but in most times you need the springs. Now you put the springs according to weight. For those of you that weigh between 120 to 150 kilograms, please allow these 3 springs as they are like that whenever you want to do your abdominal exercises. For those of you who weigh below 100 kg, even 1 spring is enough on each side. 1 spring on each side is enough. Now the spring helps you so that when you go down doing your abdominal exercises, you can come back. If you want to do exercises that concern the biceps and the triceps, put the springs at 2 or 3, because the more the springs are, the more the tension and the more those muscles tend to contract or relax. Now you can also attach that particular pull rope to the same place that you're attaching these particular springs. All right, now the next thing is to attach the remaining head of the seat where you're going to lean on. When you attach it, the same way you attach the body to the legs is the same thing, the same mechanism. And you attach the cushions now to the body of what you've created. These ones prevent you from having blisters or you wounding your back. It's just cushion. Then those particular beautiful orange knobs, you just have to push them by the side of those things and they're going to enter. It gives this particular thing a beautiful shape, and make sure that those cushions don't go out as you're seeing in this particular video. Guys, if you've not subscribed to our channel, it is at this point that you have to show us love by subscribing, because we go through a lot to make sure that you get the best. The next thing are these hands. You put them also by the side as you're seeing in this video. The knobs are going to pop up in the middle. There's also a hole there. When they pop up, it means that those particular handles are actually firm. These handles, you're going to use these handles for press-ups, push-ups, and some actually other exercises to do with your abdo. After you're done, you've done this, you have to fit in the pedals of the bicycle. Fit it accordingly. Look at the pedals, put the right side to the right side of the pedal and the left side to the left side of the pedal. You just put it and turn easily. It is as easy as ABC. In 5 minutes, we are going to mount this particular machine and you're going to enjoy it. Guys, don't forget to show us love by liking this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned because the most intriguing part is at the end of this video, where you learn the kind of sports that you're going to do with this. When you're done with the bicycle, it has two knobs. Both of them are to adjust the tension. The knob that does not have a black end, if you adjust it much, the bicycle is going to be very, very hard for you to operate. All right, so you have to know this is actually like you're buying many things in one and saving money. You get your bicycle at once in your house. At this juncture, you are ready to use your machine. You can use it in your living room or in your main room. It is an easy machine to use. Now with the bicycle, we've already told you how to adjust the hardness of it. Those two knobs there, the one that comes only with that silver bolt, you just have, if you tighten it stronger, it's going to be harder for you to operate it. All right, while the other knob just helps like a fine adjustment. Now the next thing you want to work out is you can use this particular part to work out your legs, your hands, your thigh, and so on. So you have to adjust this rope to, depending on your weight class or the resistance that you can hold. It comes from 1 to 3 levels. You can take it right up to the 3rd level, especially if you're a man, to feel much impact of whatever you're doing. It becomes harder to work out with. Those of you who have let's say elephant arms, the women, this is actually good for you to use and work out your particular arms. Make sure the bicycle compartment is out. Remove the bicycle compartment out, then you can walk your legs or walk your arm. All right, you're working your biceps or your triceps or working your thigh and your calf. All right, I hope you guys are understanding. If you've not shown us love, don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're seeing how easy it is to do, but remember, adjust it according to your strength. Not everybody has power like Samson. Okay. So guys, here comes the part where you want to do abdominal sports. Make sure you carry that particular thing and put in that hole. It will prevent that place that you're using your hand to push up and down. You prevent it from moving so that you can actually, your legs can actually have a firm grip there. Are you seeing? It will not move when you're going behind. Now, this is the case where we're talking about. See, because this guy is not up to 120 kilograms, that thing cannot really go down for him to really do the results and feel the results on his stomach. So he had to remove one of the springs for him to see the result and feel the effect. Remember, when you're working your muscles, give your muscles time to stretch and relax. Don't just do it fast. No. When you're stretching, you come back up slowly. That one actually helps the muscles to stretch out more and you see the effect of your workout. Even if you are lifting weights, it's the same principle. I hope you can see now the difference, right? He can go down and come back up now. You see how it is? This is how what we call workout of the abdominal muscles. Guys, don't forget to make sure that the knob of that particular place you're using to pull up is actually tight so that your legs don't come up and you have head injury. I'm begging you. All right, so guys, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to still show us love by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Now in this particular case, you pull this particular place that you're leaning on down and put that knob in between to make sure that it stays strong or fit like that, it does not come out. And there now you can do multiple other abdominal exercises, multiple abdominal exercises. You can actually do your push-ups like you can see in this video, different types of push-ups that you can do. You can also do different exercises provided it is down. Follow every step we are doing in this video so you don't get accidents, because there's more that you can do with this than you actually thought before. So this is a complete body workout equipment for your house. You can see how the press ups, you can do it in 2 types. Now, this particular one is for those who want to build the side of their abs. Actually, there's another more efficient way to do it, which we are going to do it in this same video with this particular product. All right, are you seeing it? When you go down, you make sure you go to the side and you see the effects. Now, remember, he is not going right fully down in this particular video, so you can go like him like that and come back up. He is a pro in doing these things, so you might not do it the same like how he's doing it quickly. This video is not even, has not been fast forwarded. It's the same speed that he's using to do it that we are showing you guys, so you see how he's doing it. So you can do it and go down, or do it and remain like that halfway. Now this is where you walk your calf. You walk your calf. All right, you can see how the calf is actually stretching and relaxing. When you're working with this one, you're working the calf muscles. You see how it is? This is what I was telling you from the beginning. Remember, don't do more than how you can do. Put it in the level at which your body can best work at. Now this is another spot for the abs. Those of you who have big belly, this is another spot for the abs, which is going to help you. So you're seeing, if you're buying this machine, you're buying something that is worth more in just a little amount of money that you paid for. So remember when I told you you can use it to work your biceps, right? This is another way to use it and work your biceps. Make sure you're holding it in the middle or on top, but not on the first 2, because those first 2 are actually lighter. It's for your back, for them to actually be around your, for those who are short, it's supposed to be around your neck region. All right, so it's not something that you hold. It's very delicate, unlike the body that is strong. So you see where you adjust the springs according to what you want to do, according to the tension you want to feel. The more you see, the harder it becomes to pull even down, even for him. So that is what to tell you, that that particular spring is very strong. It's stronger than you think. So guys, don't forget to show us love by liking our video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and of course you can share to a friend or a family member that is looking for a particular workout apparel to use in his house. Now the next one is the easiest one, that is the ropes. The ropes are actually very easy. All right, you see how he's lifting it gradually. The reason about this is that it might look tiny, but it has a lot of effect on the muscles. You don't do it as if you are trying to lift a whole house. You do it gradually so that you feel the effect on your muscles. All right, this one works also for ladies with fat or elephant arms, and it works very, very perfectly. Guys, we have come to the end of our video. God bless you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like our video, comment, let us know what you learned here, and of course, see you in our next subsequent videos.